안녕, hi guys, this is Olivia. Today we're gonna learn how to count numbers in Korean and you're gonna master this in just 5 minutes. And you will read any numbers in Korean after watching this video. Then let's get started. So here are numbers from 1 through 10. I'm gonna read them slowly for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not sip, it's ship. Okay, then for 11, 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So 10 is ship. And then 1 is 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11, right? For 12, same process. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 12 is 12. For 13, same. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So it's 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then for 20, 2 times 10 equals 20, right? So 2 is 2. Then 10 is 10. So it's 20. For 21, 20 plus 1 is 21. So it's 21. For 30, 40, 50, exactly the same process. Okay, then let's do some bigger numbers. Here's 100. In Korean, 100. 100. Unfortunately, the rule does not apply here, so you gotta memorize this. Then the same process again. 100 plus 1 equals 101, right? So 100 plus 1. So it's 101. For 102 is 102. Then 103, 104, right? For 200, 2 times 100 is 200. Okay? So 2 is 2. Then 100 is 100. So it's 200 in Korean. It goes up until 999. Then 1000 is 1000 in Korean. 1000. For 10,000, it's man in Korean. The rule doesn't apply here either, so you gotta memorize back 1000 and man. For 100,000, it's 10 times man, right? 10 times 10,000. So it's gonna be 10만. 10만. Sounds like 10만. For a million, it's 100 times man, right? So it's 100만. 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 Sounds like 100만. All right, let's do some examples. We covered 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, and 100만. So number 1, it's 5,300, right? So you're gonna put 5 in front of 1000 because 1,000 is 1000. And then put 3 in front of 100 because 100 is 100. So it's 5,300, right? And then just ignore the rest because they're all 0. Number 2, same process. You're gonna put 1 in front of 만, then put 5 in front of 100. So it's supposed to be 1,500, but here's the thing. Anything starts with 1, you don't say 1. So it's just 1,500. It doesn't mean that you're wrong, but it's just a habit. And then number 3 is going to be in front of 10만. Then 5 is going to be in front of 만. But we have double 만 here, right? So they're redundant. We just need one of them. So ignore the first one. It's going to be 35만. It's not 30만, 5만. So just remove the first 만. Then ignore the rest there because they're all 0. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe, like, and alarm button so that you can watch my other videos too. And if you like to have a private Korean session with me, then please shoot me an email. I will see you guys next time. Bye!